Hi everyone, my name is Emily Thompson. I'm from Central Massachusetts and I work for Boston Scientific, which is a medical device company. We manufacture medical devices, so a huge part of our business is logging and tracking our inventory in order to get our devices to patients. So with that in mind, I decided to base my project around the concept of inventory management. And we'll go ahead and run it. So it prompts the user with this main menu to log, update, or review inventory. Those three options directly correlate to the methods in my program. So we'll enter 1 to log inventory. We'll enter our device ID, which has to be a length of 7. We'll enter our batch number, which has to be a type int. We'll enter our storage location, which has to be alphabetic and a length of 3. We'll enter Boston. And our unique device identifier, which has to be a length of 10. So our device has been successfully added to inventory, which we can check by opening our inventory log, and we can see the last line item added there was the one that we just entered. So we will add one more device here. Add it. Our batch number, our storage location, Worcester, our unique device identifier, and our device has been added. So to update inventory, we'll enter option 2. We have to enter a unique device identifier. We'll enter the one we just created. And it displays the results here. And then it prompts the user for what they want to update. We'll update our location, and we'll change it to Boston. And our entry has been successfully added. And then we will update that device again. And you can see the new record. The device changed from location Worcester to Boston on Thursday, June 21st. The timestamp is helpful in regards to audit and inventory tracking and when the changes occurred. So next, what do you want to update? This time we'll update the status. All devices are created with a status of new, and then it can be updated to implanted or scrap. In this case, we'll say the device was implanted and the entry has been added. So we will go to update that device again, and it will list all of the inventory log, and then we will get a message that the device has been implanted and that we cannot update it. So next, I'll show you the review inventory option. Option 3, it prompts the user on how they want to search inventory. So we can search by device ID, and it will list all the logs in inventory that are related to this device ID. We can also search by batch number. So we only have one item that was related to batch 90. And then we will review inventory again, this time by status. We will review inventory log of new, and it outputs all the log entries that have a status of new. And lastly, we can review for location. We'll review all of our devices that went through Worcester, and it's that initial first one that we created. And the program will continue to prompt the user with this main menu until they exit by entering option 4. So we can exit now, and the program ends.